EVO Gimbals is proud to introduce its newest product, the EVO Shift. The EVO Shift will transform your smartphone into a Hollywood-style Steadicam and allow you to capture incredibly smooth video. The EVO Shift Gimbal. Finally, your video's worth sharing. Unleash the power of your smartphone and make your videos worth sharing with the EVO Shift.
This is the VILTA by Freevision, a revolutionary gimbal for your GoPro that stabilizes everything you shoot. This isn't magic, it's science. We've applied the most advanced algorithms to the VILTA, which enable it to outperform any gimbal in its class. The trigger controls 4 follow modes, and the battery lasts 6 to 8 hours. To connect to GoPro accessories, flip the tabs and attach VILTA to any GoPro mount. Startup is simple. GoPros 3, 4, and 5 slides into the port and locks into place. Unlock the axis. Power up, and VILTA auto-calibrates. Pair the gimbal with GoPro, and you're ready to shoot. VILTA by Freevision. Video like you've never seen it before.